Question with where are. Plural. Where are the cars? Where are the dogs? Where are the cats? Where are the mops? Where are the cups? Where are the hats? Where are the hats? Where are the DVDs? Where are the pens? Where are the maps? Where are the fins? Where are the rakes? Where are the belts? Where are the belts? Where are the yarns? Where are the socks? Where are the shoes? Where are your keys? Where are the boots? Where are the coats? Where are the forks? Where are the tools? Where are the hoses? Where are the kites? Where are the books? Where are the combs? Where are the rings? Where are the irons? Where are the chairs? Where are the snacks? Where are the razors? Where are the phones? Where are the towels? Where are the spoons? Where are the knives? Where are the plates? Where are the gloves? Where are the pliers? Where are the dryers? Where are the purses? Where are the rulers? Where are the brooms? Where are the brooms? Where are the pillows? Where are the hammers? Where are the napkins? Where are the coolers? Where are the watches? Where are the jackets? Where are the jackets? Where are the ladders? Where are the cameras? Where are the cookies? Where are the tablets? Where are the scarves? Where are the shovels? Where are the wallets? Where are the wallets? Where are the glasses? Where are the loafers? Where are the sandals? Where are the flowers? Where are the laptops? Where are the bicycles? Where are the dustpans? Where are the staplers? Where are the curtains? Where are the scissors? Where are the scooters? Where are the sneakers? Where are the earrings? Where are the frisbees? Where are the frisbees? Where are the colognes? Where are the snorkels? Where are the mascaras? Where are the blankets? Where are the barbells? Where are the perfumes? Where are the wrenches? Where are the wrenches? Where are the chargers? Where are the lanterns? Where are the slippers? Where are the suitcases? Where are the umbrellas? Where are the sand toys? Where are the necklaces? Where are the necklaces? Where are the magazines? Where are the backpacks? Where are the dumbbells? Where are the passports? Where are the swimsuits? Where are the tricycles? Where are the tricycles? Where are the bracelets? Where are the lipsticks? Where are the eyeliners? Where are the paintings? Where are the compasses? Where are the binoculars? Where are the flip-flops? Where are the high heels? Where are the jump ropes? Where are the deodorants? Where are the briefcases? Where are the guidebooks? Where are the hairdryers? Where are the headphones? Where are the newspapers? Where are the sunglasses? Where are the motorcycles? Where are the beach balls? Where are the step stools? Where are the kettlebells? Where are the flashlights? Where are the skateboards? Where are the paper clips? Where are the calculators? Where are the televisions? Where are the hairbrushes? Where are the smartphones? Where are the power banks? Where are the power banks? Where are the glue sticks? Where are the dress shoes? Where are the makeup bags? Where are the video games? Where are the foundations? Where are the board games? Where are the board games? Where are the toothbrushes? Where are the hiking poles? Where are the hiking boots? Where are the screwdrivers? Where are the sleeping bags? Where are the water bottles? Where are the camping tents? Where are the camping tents? Where are the watering cans? Where are the running shoes? Where are the curling irons? Where are the straighteners? Where are the makeup brushes? Where are the shaving creams? Where are the exercise balls? Where are the ironing boards? Where are the picnic baskets? Where are the travel pillows? Where are the first aid kits? Where are the gardening tools? Where are the boarding passes? Where are the vacuum cleaners? Where are the travel adapters? Where are the sewing machines? Where are the knitting needles? Where are the swimming goggles? Where are the resistance bands? Where are the toothpaste tubes? Where are the washing machines? Where are the washing machines? Where are the travel toiletries? Where are the shovels and buckets? Where are the nail polish bottles?